Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So levels from yesterday still very much in play. We do have FOMC minutes due today, so I doubt you're going to get anything until that's out the way. And you can see if you look at this on the 3-hour, it's just purely sideways. So drilling down to the hour, you'll see absolutely nothing inside this. So all depends on what happened on FOMC minutes. So for me, the wise decision is just to sit back and wait. I think this zone that we spoke about yesterday above 110 is definitely something you need to pay attention to. If we get back above it and build a base, then this is a pretty big range. If we reject that area from a daily perspective, then that's probably going to set up a double top, and then you see us dropping a little bit further to find support lower down. But for now, I don't think it's a wise decision to try and trade. If you look at this on the daily basis, 2 daily range bars in a flag formation of sorts. You can see there if I draw a line along the top and along the bottom. But I think it's safer just to say we're in a range. Until we break that range, sit tight, don't do anything. So FOMC minutes is quite late for us in the European time zones. So I typically don't even bother with it. I just pick it up on the next day. So that's kind of my view today. Short and sweet, and sitting tight, not bothering with the markets at all until the data and the noise is out the way. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.